Hey, doers! My name is Jose Ignacio. Now, since the launch of our help desk team, Stealthywood has received a ton of support tickets. Now, my teams have been working diligently to resolve them as quickly as possible, but I want to check in with my customers even after their tickets have been closed. Now, fortunately, with Odoo's customer ratings feature, I can do just that. Now, customer ratings allow my customers to give direct feedback to my company, just so that I could see how they felt about their experience. Was it good? Did we suck? I want to know. Now, when a customer leaves a rating, they can choose between a happy, a neutral, or a sad face, but hopefully not. They can also leave additional comments and feedback in the text box if they want to expand on their experience. Now, ratings are a simple way to gauge how our customers feel about the support they received. And using these ratings is a great way to evaluate our help desk team's efficiency. A lot of green smiling faces means we are on the right track. Too many red frowny faces? Well, that means we probably have some stuff to work on. So, enough chit chat. Let's jump into our Stealthywood database to see how all of this works. All right, so the very first thing we want to do is I want to activate customer ratings in my help desk team settings. Now, to do that, I have to locate the customer care team card, which is right in front of us. And we're back to those three dots that I keep talking about. And where do we go from here? Well, we go back into settings, Odooers. Then we actually want to scroll down a little bit over to the performance section. Make sure that customer ratings is checked off. And when you do that, you have two items that appear. Now, the first item is an option to publish this team's ratings on our website. If you choose to have that option, Odoo users with portal access will be able to see all the ratings for the previous month inside of their portal. If you want to learn more about the customer portal, including how to grant access to customers, I will link some documentation in the description below. And in our case, we're going to leave that checked off because we want that. Now, the second item is a link to set an email template on a stage. This is how we can automatically send a message to our customers requesting a rating as soon as a ticket has been solved. So, like all good things, let's check that out, Odooers. All right, so here we are on our stages page. Now here, clicking the link takes us to all of the list of stages that we have inside of my help desk team's pipelines, along with, which help desk team is actually connected to each stage. In this case, some of them are only on customer care. Let's select one of these, the solve stage. So here we are. And that's basically since I want my customers to rate their experience after their issue has been solved. So inside of here, in the email template field, we have an option to select, as you guessed it, I can select what type of email template I want to use. Now in our case, ours is ticket rating request. Now this template comes preloaded with an Odoo. If we want to look at or adjust its contents in any way, we actually just got to click on this little arrow right there. And we're going to do that. Let's go look at this template. Boom. Would you look at that? It's simple. It's efficient and beautiful. Now, doing that reveals what the email will actually look like to customers. And in our case, it's just a simple one. Hello. How did you feel about our services? It allows people to pick between the emoticons. I can edit the text freely. I can even change a few things if I wanted to. I could add any attachments, a picture of a doge, anything that I want. But it's beautiful, so I will leave everything alone. Then once that I have everything in place with this template and I move a help desk ticket to the solve stage, as we just talked about, Odoo automatically emails this rating request to my customer. And that's ultra convenient, Odooers. Doesn't get any faster than that. And it should also be noted that if you have a live chat feature enabled for your help desk team, Odoo will automatically send a rating request when a customer ends a chat. So we got them everywhere. We got them both after the ticket and if they're on live chat. But let's take a look at what that looks like for a customer. So here we are on the Stealthywood website. Now a customer could go to my website's help page, as we just saw, and they'll be greeted by the automatic pop-up over here with a live chat agent, and they could begin immediately. And in our case, we'll let them know how we're feeling. My life is falling apart. Coffee doesn't taste the same. Nice little cryptic, somber, irrelevant message just to let them know we need help. Now, once the customer is done chatting, they can click on this little X up here to end the conversation. And you'll notice something happened. Before the chat window closes, however, the screen changes to a rating request with the same emoticon options that we saw a moment ago in the email template. Now, if the customer chooses a neutral face or the sad face, a text box will appear, just so that we can get a little explanation. And in our case, he left me on red. Beautiful. Perfect. And once that they're done, if they would like, they can leave a copy to their email. And we're going to have this just for the sake of doing this. And just like that, we're done. And boom, after that, we can send our email out and we are fully covered. And that's just in case they want to have a copy of that. And that's not too shabby, right? Beautiful. Now, at the end of the day, customer ratings are crucial for improving any team's customer service skills. And thanks to automatic email templates and live chat rating requests, I can make sure that every customer has an opportunity to be heard. So stay tuned for a video on how to generate reports that'll help you analyze your customer ratings. Until then, thank you for watching, and I'd like to thank Johnny, my help desk agent, for always helping me out. Good night, Odooers.